Hello, amazing people. It's Kawi here again, and I'm starting my video here in this cute, amazing Plaza de Comida in Leticia.
We are heading out.
We are heading out to some small islands in the Amazon River, and we are starting the day definitely with breakfast. So here, sorry, I had to take soda in the morning. That is weird, but we start with soup. So this is sopa de costilla. Caldo. Water, yeah. So we have this soup. We have this plantain, plátano, and rice, and we are getting ready for the day, energized for the day because we need food definitely. And I don't know how the place is, but yeah, we are making breakfast with my friends, with the crew, with DJ, with Clinton, the Clinton.
Hi guys.
And this is Karen. Where is you, Karen? Eat.
Don't like inglés hoy.
¿Dónde está tu sopa? ¿No quiero? Huevo. Okay. So anyway, guys, keep subscribing if you not
This guy has a
subscribed.
piranha soup.
Yeah, he has piranha. Can I? Let me show you this, guys.
Piranha soup.
Piranha soup. I don't know if I would take that. It's just good. It's good. No, it's good. That's good. Piranha soup. It's really good. It's really good, guys. It's really good. Jugo? The... ¿Cómo? Guaguasó. And juice. My goodness, this is like lunch, but it's breakfast.
This is actually starter.
This is starter.
We're going to be taking a boat. We don't know exactly how we're going to check.
And-
I think it's going to be like more than 2 hours.
Taking a boat to nowhere.
And we don't know where we are going, guys. We have no idea where we are going. His idea, he's the planner here.
We might not come back alive.
No, don't say that. I have to come
We are
back.
heading with gold.
Gold.
El Dorado.
Okay. Anyway, guys, keep subscribing. If you've not subscribed, I will keep you updated about how and everything goes. And yeah, let me have my breakfast.
Oh, the internet sucks.
The internet sucks, so probably by the time you see this video, I will be back. Who's dead? You're gonna die alone. Me, I'm not going to die. I'm not about to die. I don't have any spoon for this. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have my breakfast. See you during the day. Should I say that? Okay. See you then.
Deep within, here we go. But somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above.
And just like that, the journey began. And it's 2 hours to a destination. So the only thing that I could do was just to enjoy the views, because the views were or are breathtaking. They are beautiful. Just watch for yourself.
Here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above.
So we just got to this island called Island de los Nicos in the Amazons. It's really pretty. You can see, guys, how nice this place is. There are monkeys here. There are so many monkeys here. And they're tiny monkeys, so you're just gonna go see that. Let's see how it is.
Swimming in this deep, deep blue.
Hola.
See? It has a tiny baby. At this island of monkeys, we found some other indigenous people who are here to showcase their culture for photos. You can talk to them, they can tell you a little bit about their culture, and I loved it. We took some pictures. I got to know about them a little bit more. yeah, we went on with the journey to another island also called Macedonia, where these people now actually live. It's not far, it's like 20 minutes from the island. So we just got to this island. Is it an island? I don't know how to call it. It's called Macedonia. And here there are like so many indigenous people. This is where they live. Let me show you guys. And we're just gonna get to know a little bit about the indigenous people, how they survive here. Like it's really far deep in the forest. We're really hungry also as well. We need to eat, but yeah. So this is a town with indigenous people. Really beautiful. It's like really isolated as well. You can see indigenous people walking around like him over there. So such a beautiful place.
But soon comes morning. For now, I'll embrace our wondrous sea.
This is the second stop. We have one more stop, I think, and then that's it for the day. And just rest because we're really hungry. It's a cute island, indigenous people. I forgot the name of these, of the people who live here. The name is Macedonia or something, but
Hola, amigo.
Hola. So I forgot the name, but yeah, purely indigenous. You can see the houses, they live here. They're quite secluded. It's like they are
Yeah, I think
typically alone here. Yeah, let's not walk too much. So yeah, they're quite secluded from everything. They have their own foods. They have their own meat. They hunt. They do all these kind of things, and yeah, they live like that. I think it's a hospital. Yeah, this is a hospital. I think. It's a hospital. It is a hospital. This is a hospital, for example. So yeah, it's really nice. They have like their own little lifestyle from outside. So yeah, let's keep going. It's really amazing. Oh, un perro. A little cute dog. I don't know why I love dogs so much and they keep following me. Well, this one is not following me, but yeah. So we are going back to the boat. It's down there. We're gonna go get the boat, then continue the journey. It's like 20 minutes. The last stop is 20 minutes from here, 20 minutes away. About, I don't know, 17 kilometers or something. I'm not sure, but yeah. Let's keep enjoying the Amazon. So there's a little cute girl. She went back. Do you see how they build houses? Look, they have like poles down, all of them. I don't know why they do this.
Water.
It's muy mojada. It's very wet, I think. So they have poles.
Right.
They have poles, and then they build the house like up or something. ¿Dónde compró eso? Yo quiero. So yeah, it's nice, it's beautiful. The Amazons of Colombia, and yeah, I'm enjoying the day.
One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still.
Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. The adventure continues. Give this video a thumbs up, and for now, ciao. See you in the next video.